By the age of 4, an individual has developed half of his intellectual capacity as an adult. So in other words, what one can increase by the age of 4, that means you've increased the adult intellectual capacity by so much more.
Exciting thing about these set of puzzles is the fact that they offer a sequential series of learning for children right from the earlier grades, from about 3 years right up until they are 9. And at each level in which the puzzle presents a challenge to the young child, one is able to build on the knowledge of the child as the child first interacts with these puzzles when the child is 3, then up to 4, and right up into the junior primary schooling. Now, the materials that we have been developing here is a result of a collaborative set of experiments that we have been working together with, and we think that there is enough evidence to suggest that these materials would be quite exciting for the learning programs in the schools.
Early reader builds up understanding, which he internalizes, and he seems to be mature for his age at an early age. In other words, he has an understanding of life and the world around us beyond his years, which is, I think, the best equipment you can give a child.
What did you learn today?
I learned about a bird.
Think this is going to help you with your schoolwork?
Yes, it's very much, and it's going to help me with when we are writing exam.